So this video is going to be a bit different. I thought this material and project needed a bit more context, so you'll hear me explaining things throughout the video. What you see here is HDPE, which stands for high density polyethylene. HDPE is found in all sorts of household containers such as milk jugs, laundry detergent bottles, some condiment and shampoo bottles, and even certain plastic grocery bags. What you see here is a whole bunch of those materials melted down and compressed into the shape of its container. In this case, a recycled soup can. I really like using this as a material because it's likely something you already have available once you're finished with the products they contain. Also, according to the UN, only about 9% of new plastic material ever gets recycled, so this is my very small part to do something productive about it. Something I find interesting is that while lots of first world countries around the world do have a recycling program in their community, that in and of itself does not guarantee your recyclables actually end up that way. If your plastic or other recyclable material is too dirty, there's a good chance the collection companies could toss it rather than incurring the cost of cleaning it. In light of this, and that some people view this as a throwaway material, I've chosen to create a small trash can with this turning. What I've been doing in this shot is turning the inside of the lid. You'll see how it fits on the rest of it when I turn it around here in a second. Something else I want to mention, all these shavings are not going to go to waste. I can actually pick them up, clean them up again, and remelt them down to create a new form. You see in this shot, the lid completely throws itself from the lathe, which is usually a huge deal. But the cool thing about this material is that it's melted by heat, so with enough friction, I actually get it to reattach itself. It's also at this point that I decide to leave the finished turning a little rough, as an aesthetic choice to go along with the theme. Just making sure the lid fits, and it's a snug fit. Here I'm getting it to the dimension of the bottom of the trash can so I can turn a straight line to it. I want to drill out the center of this trash can so that I know exactly how far I can turn down so I don't blow through the bottom. Then I'll take the easy way and hog it out with some Forstner bits. Now I'll just focus on matching the outside angle so that the wall thickness is the same. Something else I like about this material is it's so hard I can actually flip it around in my 4-jaw chuck to finish off the bottom. That's not typically the case. Then I'll just finish off the bottom to make sure it sits nice and level. Pretty happy with the way that this one turned out. If you want to see more with this type of material, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a message. Thanks.